Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Cat S53 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now we have to tap on advanced and find reset options. And as you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and your device will of course inform you what it will reset, so the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Let's tap on reset settings and here we've got an important information that you cannot undo this action, so everything will be just forgotten, like saved Wi-Fi's, etc. So just tap on reset settings and basically we have to wait until we will see this information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.